Abhirami and Biju.
And it's me, Aishwarya.
We all know we have started doing videos on important days from September 5th onwards. Till this day, 82 students participated in video making. This will really help students to improve their creativity.
A special thanks to Mr. Siddiq sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity and also Sister Niranjana for always supporting us.
Today we are going to show the videos of 21st November to 25th November. Our friends are waiting to see the importance of each piece.
Watching this video will be helpful for you to attend speech competition and so on. Hope this will be an added advantage to your listening as well as speaking skills. Abhirami, what is the importance of 21st November and who will be speaking about this day?
21st November is celebrated as National Television Day, and our dearest friend Jennifer Carvalho is ready to share something about National Television Day.
Yes, Abhirami, it is interesting because we all are depending on television for our online classes during this COVID days.
So, let's watch the video of Jennifer Carvalho.
Hi everyone, I am Jennifer Carvalho from 7th standard. Today, 21st November, National Television Day. TV is the most amazing invention of science. Mr. John Bayard invented it. It is an important tool for social and cultural constructions which helps not only educating and informing but also entertaining people. The television represents a symbol for communication and globalization in the contemporary world. It also provides a great platform for addressing social, cultural and economic issues globally. Today is also celebrated as World Fisheries Day. Apart from contributing to the food security of the country, fisheries is an important sector in India that provides employment to millions of people. World Fisheries Day serves as an important reminder that we need to change the way we manage global fisheries in order to maintain stocks and healthy aquatic ecosystem. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Aishwarya, who will be the next and what will be the subject?
It is Nivedita K.R. and she will be talking on discipline.
Yeah, that's true. Let her speak. Discipline is one of the most important things one can have in our life. So, let's see the video of Nivedita.
Good morning. My name is Nivedita K.R., studying in Standard 7. The topic which I choose for the message of the day is discipline. What is discipline? Discipline is nothing but training people to obey rules. Without having disciplined life, we cannot attain any course in our life. Which is the reason why its importance taught right from our childhood. School is the second place after our home where we learn discipline. It must strengthen and perfect our personality. It is the secret of successful people. A disciplined person gives the best. All human values will be disciplined in him. Thank you.
Abhirami, what is the importance of 23rd November and who will be coming to speak?
23rd November is celebrated as National Cashew Day. We know that cashew is a popular nut and it provides excellent sources of antioxidants and minerals. Here we have Adya Rose to speak about it. Let's see the video of Adya Rose.
And my dear friends, I am Adya from Standard 7. Today I am talking about National Cashew Day. National Cashew Day is celebrated annually on November 23rd. Cashews are a popular nut and also provide excellent sources of antioxidants and minerals.
National Cashew Day is only celebrated nationwide in the United States of America.
This unofficial holiday was first observed in 2015. Thank you and have a nice day. Abhirami, finally, who will be coming and what is the subject?
Finally, we have Adya R and she is going to speak about humanity.
Good subject. We should have the humanness to live a happy and social connected life.
Hi everyone, I am Adira R from 7th. Today I would like to talk about humanity. It is the qualities of kindness, mercy and sympathy. When you try to help others and realize others' problems, humanity manifests. Humanity means caring for others, helping the poor and older person is one of the greatest virtues. Out of humanity, give him the happiness and satisfaction. Mother Teresa is one of the greatest person who worked for poor people. She worked for humanity. So let us do our best for helping the poor persons and needy. Thank you.
Shreya, who is next and what is the subject?
Tania Teresa Anu will be coming next, and she's going to speak about how we spend this time better.
Good. It is an important subject we should follow in our daily life. Time is very much important in our life. So let's see the video of Tania Teresa Anu.
I am Tania Teresa Anu from St. Teresa Teachers School, Ernakulam. As the world is going through the coronavirus pandemic, everyone seems to be having a lot of time to spend. Be it we students or adults, there is a lot of time being saved which will be otherwise spent on travel, etc. Today I am going to talk to you on how we can spend this time better. Time management is a great quality of any successful student. Managing our time helps us to balance our daily tasks. Let me give you a few tips on how we as a student can manage time better. Avoid distractions. It is easy to get distracted during the day. It is quite hard to focus our mind, which wanders off too many different places. The first step is to keep away from these distractions while studying. Of course, we can listen to online classes, but let us not get distracted by the other things. Second is not to procrastinate. We always push things for tomorrow. Avoid that and try to do daily tasks. Do not keep it for the next day. Third is to do the most important task first. If you go through the most important and urgent task in the beginning of the day or during your designated study time first, you can take small breaks in between. This break will help your mind relax. Then you can have more time for less urgent tasks. So hope you have found my 3 tips useful. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Hope you all enjoyed the presentations of our friends.
We request all of you to like, share and subscribe our channel to support us.
Thank you and have a nice day.